flying over the internet, over the tabloids, local tabloids and international tabloids, is saying that Dangote have not received his permit for the smooth running of his refinery. For not giving Dangote the necessary documents to run his refinery is a great sabotage to Nigerian people and to the world in general. You people want to keep Nigeria on a standstill. That is all. It is never, 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 never supported by anyone. Yes, it is not supported. This is one of the reasons why Nigeria is diminishing in terms of industrialization and local goods manufacturing. This is the reason why. If anybody comes into Nigeria and see what he will face from the authorities, where crooks are made heads of departments. For instance, registration of industry should be something that will be done free of charge. After then, they give them like 6 months or 1 year, tax free. They start production. They will then start paying tax after 1 year to encourage productivity, industrialization. Irrespective that some of the things Dangote is doing in Nigeria is not good. For instance, Dangote is a producer, a high producer of cement. Recent time, the cement was 4,000, 4,005. He raised the cement from 4,000 to 10,000. Even now, I don't know whether it's more than 10,000 because I was building then. So, irrespective that if we cost inflation in Nigeria in cement manufacturing, this is not a good reason to deny him the access of a better document that will guide him internationally and nationally to be producing fuel or any oil used in Nigeria. It is not the reason. I'm an Igbo man. Even if I am in the authority, anybody that is ready to do that, I will assign him free of charge. That this is the way you help your country to grow, reduce unemployment. Do you know how many people that Dangote refinery will employ? Is it only Hausa that he will employ? It will employ Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Even if it is one Yoruba or one Igbo, he have breathed a fresh air from that company. The Nigerian government should make it mandatory that local goods manufacturers easily access these accessible documents for the smooth running of any product produced in Nigeria. That is why our household is full of garbages that was brought from overseas. Anyone they destroy in UK, in America, in India, they will package all of them and bring us here. Our land becomes a dump zone where they dump all manner of refuse that was taken away from houses of the white people. The government should make it mandatory that local manufacturers produce and consume here. Common ordinary toothpick, it is being imported from India and China. How long? How long will Nigeria develop? See, everywhere is noise pollution. Generator. If you come to where people are living like 10 people in the night, you will not sleep. What you'll be hearing is different sound from different angles. Come on, what is here? Generators have different types of sounds. What? Nigeria. Because these importers of these generators from China have bribed you people. International International Standard Organization is no longer working. And you say you are in democracy, you want to develop Nigeria. How are you developing Nigeria? You are developing Nigeria. Look at our cars. The government, look at our cars. Our government don't even care to patronize Innocent. We have cap, even if they are coupling it in Nigeria. Innocent has production of cars in the east, but they will not patronize them. They will instead go to China and produce China plastic and bring for us here. One accident, everybody will finish. Everybody, one accident, everybody will just finish. The tabloid will have it. Car crashed on the Lagos highway. 15 passengers all died. Is it a good story? You cannot patronize what is in your country. Many people will live innocent and go and buy from overseas. You are not encouraging anyone that wants to invest in Nigeria. Aba has 𝐾𝐚𝐬𝐾. Call those people, mobilize them, buy the machines, fabricators, molding machines, and all the equipment used to produce those things. Let them start manufacturing and make it an order that any kind of that goods will not infiltrate into Nigeria. That will become a very big industry that will employ people. People that are selling here does not employ anybody. It doesn't employ people. It can only be one warehouse. You see 5 people. But if it is production, you will see 2,000-3,000 working in one company. Then the rate of unemployment and restiveness will depreciate. But you cannot do that. About clothes, you cannot support them. You cannot buy them industries. Rather, anybody that open industry, the wicked people that are in the service, we just go them and start asking them for tax. These wicked people you see everywhere that are embezzling our fund, they will start asking them for tax and start closing them. If anybody open a pharmacy here, you will pay through nose. If anybody wants to build a house, common house for affordable living, you will pay through the nose. Even when you come to the west, in the western part of Nigeria, like you come to Ogun State, you come to Lagos, you will never have rest. How will Nigeria, when will you develop? You will not have rest. If Omonile did not come, you will see tax people, Lagasa, Abi, Ogasa. If you buy motorcycle the same way, where are this money going? You will see people, they tell you they are Ogasa. Ogasa is in Ogun State, or Lagos, Lagasa, or anyone. This is how if you go to Imo State, you will see many tax force on the road. This money they got, where are they using it? Where are they? They are embezzling them. And you say Nigeria is going to survive. Anybody that wants to come up, you match him down. You want him to grow. Nigeria will not grow with this manner. It will not grow with this manner. We need to change the narratives. We need to change the narrative. We need to change it. Anybody that talk, people will talk rubbish. Come and talk rubbish here. Let fire burn you. Please share this across to people. If you love what I am doing, share it across to people. If you don't love what I am doing, go and hug transformer. Will I beg you? Beg you, say you be who? Who are you? I won't beg you. I will not beg you.